Hello there, I'm Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Support me, motivate me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue here 1.3 application of information systems. Information systems have now become the means through which different IT-enabled services are provided by organizations. In the 21st century, paperless offices are created. Paper-based working systems replace computer. Computer Paper-based working systems are replaced by computers and a way to create paperless offices. Why we use digital computer? To save our time, to save manpower, to save material, we use digital systems. What about here? You'll see the new e-services, not only in a standalone computer, a computer over network, especially wide area network, which is the internet, by using a digital system. It can be computer, tablet, or mobile with that of wide area network, which is internet. There are some technologies in different sectors. These IT-enabled services are usually known as e-services. Services are defined as the provision of public services using technology as a mode of service delivery. They are wholly use the technology, means computer plus internet or mobile plus internet. For example, banks provide banking services through mobile phone without the need to go to bank branch. Nowadays, there are variety of data processing methods. The first is manually. In the case of manually, we can perform a task using our brain, pen or pencil with that of paper. In case of mechanical, using our calculator or typewriter. In case of electronically, we use computers. Therefore, nowadays, using electronic is the best one comparing with that of mechanical or calculator or paper-based working system. Think about the banks on the absence of computer or calculator. It's difficult. The customers take a time, they lose their times. Think about nowadays. It's not also important to go physically to a particular bank. Using a digital systems or our mobile phones, we can transact, we can make a payments. The different types of e-services are discussed below. First one is e-government. Electronic government or e-government, it is the use of information system to provide electronic services to citizens with the purpose of increasing efficiency, transparency, and citizen participation. When the use of computer or when we use of IT with network, we are changing the working of government bodies, like increasing efficiency, transparency, and citizen participation in government bodies. Think about the government bodies, they have a chance to use the digital technologies comparing with that of the society because the majority of the society are poor. Even though we have poor society nowadays, thanks to technology, by using variety of social networks, possible to participate or to have an information that is delivered from the government bodies. The appropriate application of e-government allows for higher level of effectiveness and efficiency in governmental tasks. It also improves the efficiency of communication among different governmental offices. It increases or it improves the efficiency of communication among different governmental offices. For instance, at domestic level or at national level, without going to a physically to a federal government's particular office, they can make meeting or they can exchange information by using the technology. Different organizations establish in governmental portal to facilitate communication between the organization and their customers. The customers can get information that are delivered or disseminated from the government using the portal. A portal is a web-based information system that collects information from different sources into a single user interface so that user can easily access the organization electronic services. Variety of services or informations delivered through portals. Then the customers or citizens can get the information from the portal and they can give their suggestion or they can participate frankly. Especially think globally in developed countries like America, they will have portal in every state that citizens frankly, transparently, they can exchange informations. Citizens go to manipulate for business registrations, auto-register payment of taxes, issue birth certificate, issue and renewal of identification cards. All are performed using digital systems. All forms of municipal services require citizens to go to the municipalities in person. All these services can, however, be automated and made accessible for citizens over the municipality. Nowadays, not only using the digital systems, it's possible to address also at their places. Using a web portal, you can get information at any time, at any places. What the advantage of using e-government? Some of the benefits: establish trust between government and citizens. The citizens can participate frankly with the government that are disseminated from the government by using web portals. It establishes trust between government and citizens, increases the transparency. Facilitating sharing of information and ideas between government agency and development design agency. It facilitates the information and idea between government agencies at local level. It can possible to communicate regional state with regional state or regional state with government, I mean the federal government. Not only at national level or domestic level, they can share information at abroad or at international level without going to physically at Europe country or Asian country, possible to exchange information using the technology, allowing citizens to easily get government decision and policies through institutional web portals. It allows citizens to easily get government decisions and policies through web portals that not worry about the new policies or decisions that are disseminated from the government. They will get through web portals. Think global in general. There are developed countries and developing countries. We are talking about the globe. Reducing cost of running government service as service are delivered online. It reduces because it is disseminated through online that there is no transportation cost, there is no payment for hotels. In the case of exchange, to get an information, just being at their place, they can receive an information that reduces cost of running government services. When we pay for electric bill, we are paying at our locations. When we pay for water supply, we can pay being at our locations. That it reduces cost of running governmental services. Improving convenience of service delivery. Citizens can easily access government service through their mobile phones. Not only important to use mobile digital computer, it's possible also to use mobile phones nowadays. It gives a chance to use for all customers. For example, customers can pay their monthly electric bill through their mobile phones. It's not important to go physically. Therefore, the technology is benefit in such ways. For today, it's enough. Thanks. Just support me, motivate me by subscribing my channel.